Rwakasheija ogu n'omukazi naraga Kiruhura kandi atwire mu health advocacy and nayenda n'obwembezi Kiruhura nka district woman representative n'obwa MP bw'abakyara ba Kiruhura omu bantu twahurira abakwenda kwezimba Kiruhura no wari kusingayo obuto nyine
thank you
nyine omukuru nawe John naraga Busongora kandi nawe NRM twaba tutegereza Moses nwagaba konka turataka murebere RCC abantu batuherenda musiyo mudakika nkemwe tubone kuja kuganira
Sanyo kubera mujya kunzikiriza njogere mu Uganda ngo runyankore rucyari ruke sagara kubondo namukasera kano naye ndigeza ko kubiga mu bwangu kinsoboze so bwanti byenjogera to communicating that quickly amanyaga nzo Robert Kanusu deputy RCC wa Mbarara City South.
Okay.
Era ndi musanyifu nti Mbarara City is moving on the right course. Abantu bonna bagibagidde mu region era tulina okukola ebyo byonna ebiraga nti twagala ekibuga kyaffe kibeere regional city nga tukikolerera tukizimba ku musingi omulungi with right physical planning kubanga when Mbarara fails most of the urbanization centers eziri mu Western Uganda ziba zifailinze.
True.
Sesuubira yaffe riri mu kibuga kino kubanga kiplanning bwa bulungi kibeera ku nteekateeka entuufu kibeera n'economy eri vibrant which can sustain the other cities and catchment areas even Congo, Rwanda and other areas.
So RCC kwitegereza je Mbarara City South noho turi ituye kati ano ya Makrista Road noho turi agent South.
Yes.
And itawo najya mu agenda je na amezi mushanju abantu bakatete batine rutino rukubambusya. I think that is a big issue.
Yes, it's a big issue. It's a big single issue in the city. So when we talk like that, we cannot choose one parameter. Road infrastructure, the state not moving well. And after the other roads have been constructed, it is only a failure to detect. The city management, I'm not the city manager myself. Ogwange office yangekola kubirala nyo tekola kubya kuzimba nguddo. Naye tukola kubyo kulabirira nga batandise kuzizimba okulaba nti mu kutambula bulungi transparency and the state goes well. So we have been advising properly and I understand mukasera kano city yamaze okukola kugaba contract abagenda okuzimba olutindo olwo okusaba kwaffe kuli nti olutindo olwo is also lwekwata kubya security as well.
Okay.
Lukwatira n'ebyenfuna economy of the city naye ate ne security wise kitukwata kwaffe abakulira abali ennyo mu bya security.
Thank you.
So wenna luzimbiddwa amangu especially tugenda mu season ya Christmas abantu balina okunoonya ekyokulya ekibayinza mu mwaka omujja wetaaga entambula ebeere ngeri quick era tusaba nti abagenda okukola omulimu guno batambuze mu bwangu
fair enough. Allen twakwakira
Nye nachara Boazi na nye nashemerwa kuba omwanya omu amazina ngago natukunda Allen Kajana Rwakasheija omukyara oyenyikira mu bintu bya politics abakutureba nashemerwa kuba Sky TV insima management yona ya Sky TV kutebekanisa programs nkezi ekatuha chance nito tukija tukaganiraho n'abantu ahero kw'abanya-Uganda. Yes,
so orije wanyu Kikasi wanyu Kanyarieru wanyu
Kiruhura tutwine enshonga though nitwe nka challenges ezintu zifacinga abo kuba mpox nk'ebyo outbreaks ezikubaho kugira ngo nuzika bitweka bimwe na Kiruhura nayo ziriyo konka nikirungi kugira ngo hariho ebiriyo nibikorwa kurebeka ngo ezo twabyavoiding ninga twabicontrolling.
Nondo bwa MP bwa abakyara ba Kiruhura
ninyendo bwa MP bwa abakyara ba Kiruhura ninga kuza kwebembera abakyara mu ishengero rya Uganda. So Kiruhura mbategera misho nimbashaba no kwe hombeka kwa mani ninga no kushaba kwa mani munshagice nanyenze yo mbajwe
bwa MP no vasa bwa MP bweri izova
munonga
bwa MP bweri za n'ibintu bibiri kuhinduka munga NGO ukareberana abantu center ground
Okay.
na kamparo kagamba wano basi.
Yes, as MP, of course.
It's about advocacy, it is about affirmative action, abantu kubashuke sente n'ibindi.
By the way, hariho abantu ekintu ekibatakwetegereza MP tukushuka abantu sente actually ekyo ntwenda tukihemu omu bantu MP nokuza yakashakira abantu akabarondera bashemereire kubana batunga konka tukuza omu bantu ko kugamba okushuka sente abantu omu mind zabo maybe haza mungu noza kwirukanga nogura buri omwe kuterera karuru so ekyo ntwenda tukihemu omu mind z'abantu omanye MP nokuzayo akakushakira akakuretera ekintu ekyo shemereire kuba notunga omu community yawe.
Thank you. Join abantu baterenda musi.
Muri Burundi. Enjure yonegwa. Ni bana banje Masaka nakakuba hano haraunda. Ukwezi nkakunu n'abantu n'abanoga n'abasarura aha batahindire.
Ensenene.
Ko bano de Bishop Stuart. Baba kahina around umuhanda tokorabo.
Na baba bere kandi kambagura mabati bakayiconnecting amashanyarazi no budeya.
So nabo ryo kubasemeriwe weekend mbere ndi mu region in various districts. Shenyi Mitoma Shema Isingiro. Then can meeting some leaders Uganda three twageraho workshop at Kaya Crescent Hotel.
Hotel no.
Yes, about governance and how civil society really support na state actors na government. Sky TV Kairio. And we had very good deliberations.
Thank you.
And maybe going forward. Umuntu wali civil society nari a citizen asemiri kuba na maya kwa asemiri kuba na engaging government kusaba rights kunka no kusaba ibi asemiri kuba na tunga na madam anti kwenda bampate kubi oba kusaba kwa huru madam Allen obukuwa takabeye nominated no kusaba karu okuba kubujire abantu bashobora nimbasaba hata umuntu nasobuye umukota akagera to batandikire campaign kandi atakabiri nominated ogwasazino ngira ngo namanyisa ngo wiro burahika umuhaka rukandi usaki cyo bakubasaba hati nuko kuhabora nuko kwa moral ubunko bwa karuru bunyine tukabira kuba nomination tukabira.
Thank you. Tinkare baga omuntu ujona berere this polite and parent. This comradeship is unusual. But thank you. Umukuru RCC. So okubaraka okwendo wareze zukheza zukakangana n'abantu zikarangerwa nka public health emergencies. There are those categorizations that we normally get, but particularly katanchira mpox. Ati twemerire nka Uganda. There is an overview.
Neanzisa mukuru bawazi ndi musanifu okuba nti ombuzi z'ekibuzo ekikwatagana n'obuvunanyizibwa bwa office ya president ensonga ezikwatagana n'endwadde nga zino bagiyita epidemiological emergencies endwadde ezigwawo nga ez'ekibambulira ne zigwawo zirina ebintu bingi connotations era nga zeekwasa ne ku security ebimu oyinza okulowooza nti bulwadde bwa bulijjo nga malaria yavudde ku bantu okusuula ebicupa mu lubagwizi littering and all that naye ng'ate ebimu biyinza okubeerako ne security connotations so office ya president coordinates these activities of how to handle okukwataganya n'obulwadde buno okulaba nti tubuziyiza okubeerawo n'abantu baffe babeera bajjanjabwa mu kaseera akamu nga bayita Ministry of Health. So njagala otegereka gye ngenda okuva nga nziramu ekibuuzo kyo. Weeks sisatu emabega nali mu Kigali.
Rwanda.
Nali mbukinze nga tugenda kusula mu hotel gye bayita Hilltop. Naye twali tuyingira Hilltop zaali ssaawa nga 9 ez'erwanda. Ne batugamba no temusobola kuyingira ne tulaba red tape bagamba nti wano waliwo obulwadde obwaguddewo Marburg. So the victim was found, the suspect was got in this hotel, so World Health Organization yagigaddewo under investigation. Kati olaba how serious it can be. Hilltop is the biggest hotel in Rwanda, very expensive, very costly, very executive. Naye bagiggalawo. For a whole week I was in Rwanda, I couldn't access that hotel because of that epidemic. And you can imagine how the economics, which were the affected economics around only one hotel.
Oba tugezeko tubeere mu Luganda.
Meeting ekiko teziri kutuulawo, abantu bali kusobola kuyingira mu hotel eyo kubanga waliwo ekizibu ekiguddewo. Naye kati nawane Uganda wenakomawo mpox n'atandika, monkeypox. Ng'ate alowoozebwa nti yatandikira ludda lwa Kongo eyo, maybe Rwanda because their proximity yaabwe eri kumpi mu bibira, kati obulwadde ne buyingira na wano. Si wano wokka, ne mu America bubaddeyoko mu kiseera ekitali kiwanvu, n'ensi endala ziri mu Africa. Obulwadde buno tebulina bujjanjabi. Kati mu mbalala tulina ekizibu nti abantu baffe babitwala nga byakusaaga. Tulina tubadde ne abalwadde 8 kati
ku regional
by Wednesday babadde n'abalwadde babadde 7 omu nga test zigenze Kampala where they are tested from. Kati nga banabamu abawonye bali kubaintegrating back the community after isolation mu referral hospital waliwo facility where ozulibwa n'obulwadde buno y'okkiza kuddayo mu bantu kubanga bwoddayo ate ojja kukwasa n'abalala. Naye mulimu ate abalwadde abalala nga babiri abaatoloka ne babakebedde ne bagamba mulina obulwadde ne batoloka ne baddayo mu community. So tetumanyi tuli kulondola security contact zaabwe baani be bali nabo bali luddawa okulaba nti obulwadde tebayongera kubugaziya kubanga bwe kigaziwa tetulina capacity esobola kubwanga nga fekka na fekka kugambye nti bulinga covid. So the best thing to do okulaba nti tutakinga steps mu bwangu okulaba nti obulwadde buno tebusaasaana. Prevention is better than cure. So temulowooza nti nganza akulira akakiiko akali okukwatagana bino ak'abasawo abakugu bonna bajja batuza okulaba nti bakansalas tuli kutuula mu bwangu okulaba nti ekizibu waffe tekibeerawo mu ggwanga lyaffe tekigaziwa nnyo kubanga bwe kigaziwa it will affect many things. Kyenjagala okwogerako n'ekirala tetuli ku bulwadde buno bwa mpox bwokka, waliwo n'endwadde endala nga zikyaliwo mu Uganda okugeza twali tubadde wano n'obulwadde bwa foot and mouth disease obwakwata ebisolo byaffe byakiisa bubi era abalimi bangi abalunzi abakosebwa n'olwaleero luno tebanda bakulikabalinga from
n'obutale bukyali buggali
n'obutale omu karantini zikyaliwo otegeerera ddala nti awo kiba kikutte ku ikonomi y'omuntu wa bulijjo ekimuyimirizaawo kwayimiridde kiri affected. Nalina mukwano gwange abeereyo kabulangire mu kibira eyo alunda embuzi, yalina embuzi 7 nezikwasibwa obulwadde bwe bayita ekiforoto ekiforoto yafiirwa embuzi ezisuuka 400. Ate nga nezisigadde tasobola kuzitunda kubanga family yali already affected. Tasobola kutunda nezisigadde nga zikyalinamu kubanga balowoozebwa nti ziyinza kubanga akawuka bukyali mu incubation naye nga buzirina. So yali azikasukabukasuwa nagenda ng'amuyambako nange ne mu kujjanjaba ng'ekisa kinkwata nga baveterinary bazze naye embuzi nnyingi obudde bugenda ziri kufa. So this is how serious can be and these are all epidemiological diseases. Endwadde endala nga wengambye nti eri erwadde yaliyo Marburg tubadde ne Ebola wannani mu mbalala yatuukawo olaba bagenda mu records mu referral hospital olaba nti chances scientific research alaga nti kiri possible for emergency obulwadde buno okuddamu okubeerawo. Olumu nali ngende China Beijing nentuula mu nnyonyi okuva e Dubai ne bafuuwera ennyonyi nga bafuuwera ente
ng'otambula nnyo
nga tulimu ffenna ne bafuuwera nengamba ate bino nga sibirabako ne bagamba China gye tugenda eriyo obulwadde bayita bird flu. So tutakola kino you're most likely all to be infected. Ali tubuzeeyo newaffe. So olaba nti emergency ensi ezikulaakulanye zizitwala nga serious issue, budget zibeera provided quickly, action plans nezikolebwa. Nange ona akakiiko kenkulira kati kenakyeyalize era tugenda kuddamu ne ku Wednesday twateesewo emergency management committee egenda okulaba nti tukola kino ne plan emergency management plan ya mpox twatisewo plan ya fencing ekirwadde kiba kyeyongedde isolation center yembala mu hospital weba ejudde abalwadde abala tubateekawa bagenda kulya ki tugenda kubajjanja batutya wetubanga family mami ne dad balwadde abaana basigadde awaka mu kyalo how do we handle them who helps them who is there for them kubanga ebizibu bingi ebiboolekera n'endwadde eddala nga leprosy endwadde eddala nga sleeping sickness zikyalimu mu bitundu ebimu ebya Uganda era n'obujjanyi records bw'otunulira n'essimu lya smartphone bw'otunulako endwadde za leprosy simanyi bamuyita mu Lunyankole
evembe
zikyaliyo mu Uganda wano
in John's language it is called
even after 48 years we are so serious n'olwaliro nno abantu bakyakwatibwa obulwadde bukyaliyo
now RCC mani kyamukuba mutiiro nka gavumenti okutangira endwara ezi okubarukaho tutakagira kuragurira bakwatwa okuboneza isolation center nimani kyagaba bagatirwa because endwara ezi nzirga nkai nyenda kuhurira iki kishani what you have always done to prevent the outbreak.
Of course, one thing is
not management.
It's so kachini prevention, public health, public health
awareness
eyamba okuziiza obulwadde okusinga okugwanga nga buguddewo nkintegera kubulya nti ne vaccinations zetukozesa okujjanjaba obulwadde buno ziba bweru so tetulina capacity ffeka abali mu Africa developing world okuwa engaging government obalaba tusomesa nnyo government ne President Museveni yettanidde nnyo okugamba Abannayuganda musome sciences wabaddewo special scholarship special programs nze jjo namaliriza okusoma special training with the University of Massachusetts Nembarwa University of Science and Technology in responsible research conduct. How do you tukwataganya tutya okunoonyereza okwa science mu ngeri etamenya mateeka ate ennungamu n'obwetaavu bw'ekizibu ekiba kiguddewo bino byonna biyambira bideveloping capacity eggwanga lizibuildinze capacity okulaba nti lifeesinga ebizibu bino head on okujjanjaba ekiba kyetaagisiza nga kiguddewo n'okuziyiza more money more efforts have been put mu kuziyiza okusinga okujjanjaba naye nebiguddewo olabye HIV waguddewo Uganda yafuuka ensi ey'okusomerako center of research abantu okujja okuyigirako engeri y'okujjanjaba endwadde ya siriimu okubudaabuda abalwadde okupreventinga lwakuba mu kaseera kano nti ate abantu baffe bamanyiridde nnyo ekigambo ekyakakooko kasiriimu nti olwaleero batya okufuna olubuto okusinga n'okufuna siriimu kubanga bagamba bajja kukujjanjaba nti siriimu bw'olwala siriimu gavumenti ejja kuwa eddagala ly'obwereere olaba ne mu kiseera kya covid bangi baali nga tebafa naye bagamba olwala siriimu otolwadde covid because capacity had been built abantu okutegeera byonna ebikwatagana n'ebyo so we have done a lot.
Thank you. Allen, wareba abantu bitu entaasya yaabo tebakwembe ndabongereho endwara nka mpox kandi baba batakwesa kweraguriza malaria ordinary malaria so nogera ngo abantu abane bashangeta endwara nke Zanzibar ko how much should the country be worried?
Kurijira entaasya y'abantu mu byaro actually nangwa no mu town really tutwakabintu wongeraho ikizibu ekindi numanya covid ekiyatukozere katukora kuba munonga so kuborjira mu covid kandi okongeraho nk'ekyo which means abantu bariyo nibongera kuba affected munonga entaasya eriyo neyongera kuba kunyugisibwa abo kuba omwana ogwo kwararware noenda oine kumutwara mu irwaro and this is an emergency tukujangu n'akantu kari simple ngo norukoro ninga senyiga noza kura just treatinga aho naho kahwe it's an emergency so nitenda attention y'amani hato muntu wanje ryo mu cyaro oteine nangwa nezogura panado this time ya funa mpox no teka natandikira so nchiba affecting munonga kiteganisa abantu bitu nyo actually nyo personally nkarwaza abana banje babiri okubanza kabanza yakwatwa yivuza what is this it's ni indwara tukasita kachimanyire munonga konka okumwana ari kuba affected chichonka nchikutomu kwerarikirira kw'amaani munonga so ninsasira abazaire abaryoko ninsasira abantu abakuru abaryoko wakubasa kukwatwa nk'endwara nk'egyo shwari nikisasa.
And side y'abakazi n'abaana iwe nobagambire cyangwa kuba endwara numarenza affecting munonga abakazi n'abaana
ekinkubasa kugambira abakazi n'abaana okukira munonga n'okwerinda hati nakuhereza example nk'abaana banje bakakwatwa konka nka making sure tubahikana n'abaana abandi kugeza aho kuba controllinga korahure outbreak nkejo niwe tamo mutumo rebeke ngo abana bawe at least kwara ryo mwana niwe yakwatwa geza aho kumcontrollinga abandi kubura kwatwa kandi kwara ryo muntu mukuru abantu bakuri tonto basa kwerinda nangwa omwana wagumero kurinda abo kuba naenda kushura naenda kuzana nanda kugera konka okwerinda nicyo kikuru munonga kwarabeho endwara nkejo nga outbreak tero muranga abukwataho bamanye cyabaho so kurebeka ngo bataho measures.
So abana bakaboreka bonero ki ubwo kwenzera abandi bantu kubakoreba abana babona ari bo benyina mbere yabo batekateke ubundi kabari mpox agenda kibiza ubonero bonika buhubwo abana bayoreshire
ba abana bakafuna skin rash actually it is not skin rash abo kwa wagamba skin rash ya so ono baterwa nk'ebihere bahango ekindi nibatunga umushuri mben omuro too much actually yes nugo baguriyo gw'amani munonga ekindi amisho nibafuna red eyes no basa kugira ngo arwire red eyes konka because of that too much fever when fever iba ko babini so niyeru ku baretera batunga amisho gabo kugira mubuzo so ezo nizo signs in case muzire wajireba ninga shiwo muntu mukuru actually niwo muntu mukuru watandika kutunga such a signs hirkanje romshaho.
Okay bari mnonga John abantu bamwe endwara nkezi za mpox yatakagirwarizeho wenyine nana mangu ibine biganiro by'abashomere ukwenda kutunga sente zo kwegigahaza izo myths tura. What are you hearing ko benura bombanda
bale echo kubanza tinkomanya
they are concerned
tinkomanya omuramu kubuhire na interest y'ubuhunka
interest in public health amahanga
gona endwara ngazina za kubemba gambiro ko habiraro suru VHTs tuziri kwita hano kanga abantu bagira mu covid ati norora strategy yo egenderiwe ebindi bintu kandi ebutari byo sendwara pase abo kuba utabetini hano covid president yesakana na addresses almost every day no matter twine case mu yonka twaje mu lockdown one case 21st March 2020 one case twaje mu lockdown case of non zero indeed with the vaccine n'ibindi mwe nitekereza ngo ejo kubanza batwari switch tubarekeye mpaka zita
abarambuzi bije
kujya kasese bagiyeyo abakujya windi penetrable bagiyeyo habo kuba industry ya tourism eriyo ni muka kurwo mushoka kurwo umukangwa wa covid na wecho mpox or any other disease yes chukuru creating awareness konka nyowe nitekereza ngo abantu cyo batakuja kwitwara serious ni sente za covid ngo kuzibira barora audit general report abantu bakajya sente abantu bakombeka amaju abantu bakombeka apartments nari bakajisara every senior person in the Ministry of Health at least or attain apartment or agine nari at least according to various reports. So hati omuntu obona bugamba with a lot of skepticism kigenderirwe mazima kwe okulwanisa mpox tuyine cases 8 muri Mbarara muri Mbarara nafama abantu babiri almost every day aba boda kuba tubantu gamba ensonga kusasa muno abantu muri ezibiri ne ntfewa abantu 10 pa leo muri Uganda accidents. Nobody talks about it. Nobody.
Kananura na chigamba.
I am telling you.
Kananura spokesperson wa traffic police na third
we
report.
lose 16 kumaliri.
Abandi kuna mkaga burizo.
Ntfero betwale na streka buri mwaka abana batakashize mwaka gumu
40,000.
45,000.
45.
Ntfero abakazi 19 buri kilo cya rahanga.
Kandi nyabo bakacindira.
Kandi bakabari ngabere na babiri ati ni 11. Uhari gender report okwezi reviews nzibabo myaka 5. So hari gender review basoko bari kali 10 na bana ari 15. Kuba ngo batari 10. So why in the situation is ensonga is kutalabaniza abantu ba Uganda health sector tele mpox. Nicho kurora.
This is an emergency. We can deal with it. We can deal with it then we return to malaria or return to matano.
First of all, mpox is an emergency, is real and late. Echo we cannot discuss that. Mpox ni ndwara ero kugira mu gisho. Kandi neitara numwira buki. Konka electricity. Cases wahura ezambarara ngambarara wahura mzuna skache. Obya kugira ngo akaina abantu babiri ngubona bakakira. Yibuguzo accident kuba uwishe tunga accident akachara mbenga. Kuba bari munana nafa mukaga. So
what is the problem?
The problem is
we are not putting food to our mouth.
Uganda tubakuja kwichereza embera kugira ngo mubato mu lockdown abakuba numwenda budgets. President Museveni akatuyamba na buri turijiro mukaru abantu abagenda gari hanga runo mu lockdown bakabaro. Torahurire task force, national task force ezabe zisaba lockdown zisaba president day in day out every task force meeting bakana saba president wako ate lockdown. He refused. Where is COVID? Yeah, where is COVID? Because the reason we have fewer numbers is because of the lockdown. Please reinstate lockdown. He said no. Where is COVID? So, by one way to our Ministry of Health, I think there are very many unpatriotic people there. Hali abantu benja batakundi yanga yabo ministry yo. Ncho baguma abantu bajya kukubira banje kuhuririza. Echo kubanza so byo kubanza he. Tukire ha level yo kugira ngo technical issues must be handled by technical people. Ensonga za endwele nka epidemics ni sima president promote nje Dr. Henry Chobe msirikali one of the senior epidemiologists konka task force yo koro rutino rwakateti ne engineer tekwenda kurukali officer ekora rutino ntumanya ntaraba some of them are agricultural things urutino ntumanya ndureta basubuzo mutawundo obo kuba nona kurukora nota commercial officer.
Thank you.
Because there is a so what about our very good cadres, the other DCs, the other CCs, they are struggling to explain some of the things. But Dr. Lagaja, we have doctors everywhere, very many of them. No, wait a moment. When it can't manage in Gamba, why doesn't the district health officer head that task? Okay. Or and why do you later or Kapita Malaria? Task force ya malaria mu district no kujukura.
Thank you.
Is it the RCC? Yeah. Last time to go COVID.
Hendera John.
Bakakwata bula RDC mu Uganda president yaba milioni 15. Are you sure? Yes, I'm very sure. I was here.
Hendera John. Hendera John.
165. Abazikoria accountability are very very few. And actually na abantu batekereza ngo some of the good senior RDCs are injured, 65 of them. You know, after the 2021 elections, recently, Bakavinga around 65 RDCs. Aba injured omurugo nchigambo accountability jekarima. Oko bakaza task force umuntu yazetwara wana. So ba RDC beitu. Beine mirimo mingi yokora bahanze babeho mu health issues. Obarajayo bajeyo ngabo observers. Let the health personnel spearhead the thing.
RCC
neyanziza mukulu
a lot on your plate
moderator n'abakulu bonna abali kuteesa ku nsonga zino tuli kudiscussing ebintu bibiri kyenandisabye nti mu mbeera eno mwami John engeri gyali kuteesaamu alina obusungu bwe ku nsonga ennyingi naye we are discussing two things from two dynamics values and interests kati nze olwaleero luno mmanyi nti amaanyi tugateeka ku interest of how to prevent diseases the values of who we supposed to how they behave whether abamu bali corrupt abanalala because when you talk like that it's like you are also shattering me down. I should not talk because there are some dishonest people abatakuba omulimu gwali gwetagisiza okukola ekisitse ekindeesa olwaleero oba olinako ekinugu nga tebakola issue now what we are saying yes the office of the president bwogamba baarandisi tebabiyinjiramu who is the chief executive of this country. We are not here on our own. By our constitutional mandate, we represent the president. So we are replicas of the president's work. Kati wogamba president limukwata kebyo okubeera n'endwadde mu Uganda, then what are you talking about? So it is not just by choice nti twagala kutulayo ku kyeyalinga ne impox bwe twogerako olwaleero tewalina guidelines. Minister of Health has never issued any budget. Naye ffe obulungi bw'abantu baffe mu community yaffe maama ono akugambye nti abaana be balwala alabyeko abalwadde ba impox how they suffer. Should we also just wait because for you are talking in line of budgets do you are supposed to put away obulwadde obuliwo bwetaga stakeholder sectoral approach buli muntu alina kyasobola okontributinga okuziiza obulwadde not only the doctors kirina boda bakatete road common simple mind you may think nti engineer is supposed kunanzwa ku rutindo rekatet newerabiranga ne environment officer betaga environment impact assessment for the flow and the breeze of the river so your traditional way of doing work you're phasing out champion ekyo kyogamba scientific problems can be solved by scientific methods through research and numbers but when this research is done there are many other people also who are the same research okubala nti objective of that research is fulfilled yefeka tibora tujja kugamba nti omusajja yabadde mu laboratory na testing omulwadde namulaba nga alina akabuka ka impox yaba atambula ajatambule ata asigale nga akyakula omulimu mu laboratory ata abeereko n'omugugu omulala gw'okutambula nga sensitizing community no it shouldn't be like that. Okay. If you manage like that you are home you will be in trouble in managing issues there. So the change you get a rather interest here. Corruption to move in I want to want you and manifest itself in many forms. Okay. Obuliben zibunji. Net muvumira era tubuwanisa. Ata abatolo wazanti bagamo nto government bebe tumye ngende mu. Naye mubafele nini your brothers maybe yourself also you could have been a victim or a perpetrator somewhere. Mubine byola bagyeyogeddeko tulina n'abantu buli opportunity ngabo buli kigwawo kyonna bakiramu opportunity benefitinga. They're called the conflict entrepreneurs. Okay. But we also have catalysts called conflict catalysts. Ngabo bagala kubyo kaberewo abasesa bafune abasesamu bali stand by bamanyi nti bagamba kino obadde buyitidde even when the numbers scientifically are not proving so. Okay. Recommendations from the science is not proving so. Nabonga bali kufaninga naye government as government means well for the people. It wants to help the people. It wants the economy to be moving. The individual characters isolated cases they won't know the government abamu now bamanya abamu so you cannot be here and we spend all the time generalizing saying now we should sit back and watch no
RCC togere ku treatment omulwadde wa mpox
nagambye that prevention is better than cure tebulina specific treatment bulinga COVID-19 tewali specific dose ntojja kukozesa PPF ojanjabe impox Chemanyi, it is symptomatic treatment. Once you are diagnosed with it, but treating bakujjanjaba okusinziira ku obulwadde ng'ejje buli kuba mu kaseera ako. Okugeza maama gambye nti kitandika mu Uganda bayita muzungu bayita blisters. They are like rash naye nga bibeera binene. Ne bibeerako ne omumwa bibeerako ne ka point wekasinzira kabira nga kalimu pass pass bache
amasira
Uganda ino lusoma language kujja kunspenyeko kabira nga kalimu amasira wakati wako wekatandikidde kati bwe kiba kyabisi ne kitulika fruits ezivuddemu bwe zikukoonako nga nawe oba obufunyi
kati okujanja batandikira ku bubonero bw'olaga so it is supportive treatment just
yes
it is supportive treatment
yes.
And nutrition
yes kati bwe buba butandikidde ba ku mukono that's why it gets worse and viral and getting viral the symptoms ziri so severe ebiraga bw'obanga bumaze okukwata bw'obanga tebakujjanjebe nga bukyali it can get too worse and it bilindinga n'okufa ate ne kirisinga bonna bakwetoolodde okuba nti babufuna when the situation gets worse ekyokubiri bw'obanga oba bufunye for example abatera okubeerako mu kwegadanga those who have sexual intercourse bw'abeera nga rash blister yamenye nga contact bwe yakafunidde bubadde mu private parts it even affects women worse. It is worse in women when it's contact epicenter we yatandikidde and it's around the private parts. It becomes so severe, so serious, very painful and hard even to manage. Kubanga kiba kyetagisa okufuna ba gynecologists abasoma endwadde z'abakyalo okubeera nti basobola okumwatendinga tu kyobola abantu ffe tuvaayo mu bwangu okulaba nti buno obulwadde n'endwadde endala ezijja nga ziyita mu category ng'eno zibeere nga zibeera prevented. The issue of money, issue of what is not our concern now. It's about how can we manage, keep our status better and move on. Lastly,
a few issues from the table, then you will conclude. A few issues from the table. Allen,
yes.
Jona ine concerns ng'abantu babanganza yabendwalereho yaberi serious konga wajja ng'abantu 10 bitwa
ekyo n'amazima nakugira nyonye nkankarwaza so actually ekyo tushemereire kukiho kufiire kugira ngu endwara tero konka ekyari kumanyisa hariho ekikukikiza amaani yes endwara nebasa kubeeyizire konka enamba ekiri ahansi and yes as he has said omuntu nabasa kukikozesa nka excuse covid bakagikozesa nka excuse people are using HIV hariho takwenda ngu HIV hweho right now abokuba ariyo nagibenefitingira muno
kino takwenda kampu y'empungi iki
kampu y'empungi ekyende abokuba hiine ekyari kugihamu so oburwenguzi ningasha obushomankuzi buri omu bantu tutukuza kwanga burumu konka oburwenguzi nubutandikana nanye naniwe so nitwe twine kumekinga sure kurebeka ngo twatereza communities zetu twatereza Uganda yitu.
John umudekeke mwe tokangira ngo haraba kwenda sente konka haru nabo mutima mulungi abakumanyisa ngo hari obuzibu bakwenda ku addressing
ati nebe nagamba byona tibino buzale na bya kanusu ebyanaga ekizibu kya kanusu yaitwa government and it has always been my advice by senior comrades ngamba gamba ngawajira ati umwena ari constructive criticism ubona bemba gambaraga you know so most of them that would appear on media with bajira ngo angwito ka government so one of them akali somewhere aliona addressing abantu ngwatito ka government ya rora message abana bagomba kumulika message we bali misi actually we jimulike I know I told you about the person so bamulika message district aliona gambara mune aliona akoram already bateri yond hati yaje speech ya pozinga yaje kuseri barali mulista mutera sanga taru ajana feri zero tinda muterire until the next time muna mulizira radio na mugambira ntuno tuko bumbere unabeni kugambira when I say government here nyimba takumanyisa RCC hata roro kunani ngamba ja office of the president netkwataho itwena kandi itwena ntwicaraniza ngo nekoro muri mu Burundi but ensonga enkusike waba oliwo Boaz Kanusa aliyo nakugambira mpox na Dr. Mwebesa aliyo nakugambira mpox nobakuba nabagambe bintu bikwenda kusala notwala ebyo because when I ask medical personnel nokurati natamwe nagamba nk'abantu ngoreba ngo yagira ngo rutino rwakatete ngo wenje buke natekereza ngo rwata engineer we I am not talking nabwira ngo nakamasho officer ngo mukwata nabwo kali to officer ngo mukwata ko basanga kamasho officer ngo supervising rutino there is a problem with it kandi wait a moment kandi twine district engineer ko asenti
twenda kuzo break then
no problem just ngira chikiro kwa nakosaye
ngana
twine kamasho officer tukwese
nankwiremo
twine DHO ba DHO bitwabonjera sente twabata milioni I think 5 n'emtwaro nkaga DHO nali site health officer owa ine omusara gwa DHO nukusasura deputy assisi ya mesi ya 5 kukuba DHO ali milioni 5 n'emtwaro nkaga otatera allowance I think my deputy assisi wali milioni 1 n'emtwaro abi why don't those people nyoni nyenda kusaba hati call a minister tomorrow any minister you will come here call a DHO you will not come here so I'm saying habache bintu bino baguma babisereka owo takyetegereza ngo kigenderwa nicho kubisereka under the office of the president because of the so many people trust that office because of the good things it does babisereka oku obakoma benda kola manyanga gabo babisereka why doesn't the task force what will happen if the task force is headed by DHO but supervised by the RDC there is no problem so ensonga yokujera ngobundi halo omuntu ebintu bya corruption in Uganda tikubugamba abara CC it is public government second highly paid civil servant of Uganda and auditor general
thank you
akagana report ya jere citizens akuvu discount
the kazam break
can we debate that really
thank you after the break RCC naza kuhendera nshongeje tukwata for a model as the next topic turiyo mwishengero Sky TV
Sky TV irakari abantu
massage services wari kwenda kushubura geresime ya 082 09 kinana na mukaga ashatu n'itano nange ya 070 09 kinana na mukaga ashatu n'itano nwomunugura gukutamise ibindi byona
don't be a crocodile don't be a crocodile don't be a crocodile it's wonders time it's wonders time it's wonders time it's now baby jelly Habo jelly
Please don't make us leave my house.
hair shampoo always beautiful so beautiful life is beautiful with wonders everywhere.
Don't be a croco. Say no to imperfections and hello to a new world of wonders. Wonders, always wonderful.
Mushanga Sako Limited einitaji rukuru nyamufumura jema yagaruka yakuretera ekitereke kya Christmas omwaka ogu bamemba n'abarikwenda kuba bamemba mwena n'umwakirwa ekitereke kyatandikire kandi nikyendera 2015 byo ku 12 2024 omumatajaga Kigarama branch Rwentuha branch Shuku branch Burere branch St Kagwa branch Kabwohe Cyanjenyi Butare Marinde Mbarara hamwe n'itaje rya Bwizibwera erikushangwa Mbarara district ebyo kusingura harmente embuzi enkoko hamwe n'ibindi nyamwinji tera noti 3 cyenda nemwe noti 5 nshanju na mwenda okumanya biri kukiraho
emyezi 3
ekiki
go wangula
nsasula emyezi 3 nempangula
hey
ha
Abaye kuba taki
tuwe nsasula emyezi 3 mpangula kituufu
gwe subscribinga emyezi 3 ku package yona gyoyagala obafuna Azam TV osasula emyezi 3 olwo neweefulira omukisa ogutabanga wo ogw'okuwangula ebirabo ne Azam TV ate si tutoka osobola okwetambulira ovawo ne free subscription eya Azam TV kusa n'ekirabo semalabu miliyoni 2 mu cash bedu nkugambye miliyoni 2 kati no tulinda weeyongerero ku family ya Azam TV ovimbe ng'omulodi okumanya ebisingawo noti 3 23 noti 8 mwenda noti obakyalira amaduuka gaffe agakuliraanye.
Azam TV, entertainment for everybody. Sky TV, iraka ly'abantu.
zika kangaranisa abantu bitu na government amanagetire mukurangu twaza rwanisa bwenu ntwenda tenere na RCC kunkana mwezi sunaga batugitaho we ija gukora program ya next Saturday riyari ije shaitan tukatwendere isho then tuje tuganire
nenza ku moderator n'abatesiza bona ku badde buno kusingira ddala mu mkyalo no mugeza bamusawo kubanga entesa iyo naku kubikwatagana n'endwadde alabika nkugo okutusinga nako era nkusabira emikisa gy'oliko nebyosaba mukama akuteremu obwangu kyetuba tukola kati buli muntu amanye ebizibu ebimuluma kati bw'ofuna obulwadde nga bukutwala mu isolation ne bakujja mu bantu bagamba bagenda kuteeka ng'oli mu kihome kirungi nnyo ogwanira okubeera ng'oprevent ng'obutafuna bulwadde kubanga bw'oba obufunye ekizibu kigenda kukwata gwe mwenyini ne family yo ojja kutegeera ng'ojja okulumizibwa ennyo okubeera mu mbeera eyo nga tolina obujjanjabi yadde obukubufuna naye ng'oli mu isolation kati tu observinge twetanire nnyo okweyisa nga bwe tweyisa mu bulwadde bwa COVID-19 bukyaliwo twewale nnyo okukwata mu ngalo nessalire tubeere ne sanitizer twekume nga tuli bayonjo tuyambala olugoye nga olukubye ne paasi ate tulina mu site twaki obeera nga tubeera clean awaka wenyini ebintu bye tukozesa bibeere biyonjo. This is public health issue era obulwadde obutulumaano mukulu Bowazi bukwatagana n'abantu butabeera bayonjo naye bwe tubeera abayonjo ne kalicha yaffe ey'okugwa mu kifuba tugikendeze ng'obulwadde weebuli afazaali greet me say hi take off bw'oba olina n'ebyoŋŋamba n'ekirala abantu baffe mu families bagezeeko nnyo okubeera nga babeera as a family monitoring okutegeera family yo eri etya eri mu mbeera ki eri kweyisa etya oba abaana tegeera nti abaana bali kuzanya naani whom are they playing with, whom are they having contact with. This is where problems are coming from.
Thank you.
Unnecessary contact with the infected people.
Thank you. RCC kanusu abantu muhore mwirinde endwara. Titwe obe part of the statistics abo abarwara narabafa iwe bakomente tanka John otarwiri. Ntenda tuhindure gia tuganire ahantekateka nsya kongaka tuhirize musi omugisha banzara musi abantu. Musi twakwashira
omukyererezi nashabu kusasirwa musasiro muno munja kwija kare nashimirwa kubashanga RCC umwana wanjye kanusu ubwo twazirwa nako wa mpox namureba
kamutagamba mwazirwanyi
John yarina noga bayina
UPC twagomba kugamba
manye bya movement tini kitwenda mu cyamani ni mugambo w'inzira tini kitwenda mu cyamani movement yawe yone gihubaho kandi cyamani kitwenda
ore nwaga
so ndona tayana tegeze twenda kiki kitwenda kurya atajya abanza tweka aterangira kutwara tabana ba UPC ngo akarye cyangwa
mukamutari
taro cyangwa kitwenda.
Thank you
kureka nangwa shane kitkugobamo
gayisidira naho
n'obusinge movement ati ntugoba mu businge ntugoba mu ukubaraka sente kawo kagenda nako kakabika kuko ebyitu kunga bya government okay neka kanusu mwana wanjye wakiriyo kunga nabona izo kusibwire radio nyingitwe ntuguma turi mu government mu tutegeka.
Thank you. Aha, edakika zaba mushaniriza inkuru mushayitano zakasheshe. Ebiro byo bwire umukozi okwenyini president akatongozaho enkora ya 4 acre model bwa Bunyoro. Omunkora ya 4 acre model president nahabura ng'omuntu nka family mugire mutema omwani. So omwani ekemwe ebijuma ekendijo ebikuriye byeka ebitoki omuhogo naki ekendijo mbyarumwe binyansi byende. With that muza kwa mwabasa kugira ente zo mukiju mwine omwani mwine maniyo yo kuta ekerumwe byokuriya nebijuma nebiguzibwa nebirugwa musente kandi bikorana ha ndyanongi nutrition. And abantu amwe babuza ngo boroka ine ekazina bur family basakusi ekazina narabana bagira ngo feasibility study kakorwa yari yakorwa kugira ngo 4 acre model nugombaza gukurwana soboro no kwimusenta asiyamaka kantana kaniwe John president exactly natugambira ngo tukore iki
we bari muno Bunyoro 4 acre model kugira ngo new arrangement etahaho kuruga karuhireho ngo kuntani kugambira hano enjiri yona ya president ekwaterere no kwiha abantu mbonako nagigendaho wenka abantu bakajumbyabo nagigendaho wenka and some few staffs who are still patriotic abakora mu ofisiye no so kwiba kusanga yo nka MPO mwariyo na gamba nka PDM na Myuga na Foeka mudo gamba tuli you be very lucky very lucky haba kujya hona mpaka takugamba completely nubamba gamba other things agereza y'abantu waraje nanka kisozi yabeta rwachitora ya on same nobody talks about them whether at a burial ahabujenyi nobody no NRM person talks about that as not even one.
Why?
Because abantu bakajyo mukweserere yabo kubonye mu district atari RDC atari nka focal point person wa PDM toine muntu wondu wena politician olura na rugambo tujye mu kiko bayinari
ebe byashosho economic
nobody tujye hagombora cyama rugombora yabaharwe etakabiri site biharwe karugombora cyamanu wainari wabaharu akagambira abantu ahafo ekamodo nari hamyoga nari hapidia nowhere nibagamba wa OWC RDC RCC and some people who are in that program full stop nicho korora hamwe nayigerayo now ahari Bunyoro ho kugamba omugureta kibale akagira wa honorable byamukama ni state minister kandi MP of Gangizi West konka akatandike radio before going to parliament akavisitinga family ya president yakauku yagira that I want to start implementing this indeed yajayo ubyamazire kujayo yarigayo hiza hatandika 4 acres owe konka we akajya umumpunu ente ne nkoko umu ekemu then yakwatortoche yaruto mu ekendi enanansi ekende n'umwani umuhikendi nizo enterprise zaini ombinti bione bukuma sente nkoko nzo zikuma sente nyingi milioni 5 per month nkoko zonka okubente akaine hente mukaga kandi zikandi zumuha bulite kandi muharitaka mwenda zire ngo nanda kuzihinduramu kulete za 25 message ya president nigira ngo no bukubo hitaka irike iriya hikankeina owe ndiyetu arike omu courts hokuba haloho aho kusanga families 10 ziri acres inezo so nagira ngo abeina amatakago no so kukole nkolejo halo question ya abantu bakubuza ngo buri omwe ine acres ina the answer is abantu benje abali omunako beine more than 4 acres because regions sub-regions zikuchara yo muna kumiza Karamoja West Nile Lamu Acholi Busoga Busoga kuba oji hero zin but family actually any more and on average any 15 acres and above.
That is true. 15
acres and above konka bali mbona kandi abaine the smallest acreage so Bushenyi Meto mangani ngamba na honorable deputy speaker
Kasese
akangira ngu kigumire muno omu district kusangama abantu 12 acres 5 and above. The deputy speaker was telling honorable Tayo it is very difficult to get 10 people with 5 acres and above. Now abo kandubo bar kurunjimu so president message era halabali kamwini itaka kamwangiro mbona habacho mutakukole now program eju eyafo eka modo ninunje mu abantu enjire ejo kuva gendera tuli na bara disiza bagitero mugora ngahora bukada mchunguzi abera ali ntungamo he hosted me at his place now in for eka modo nende zebitu azine na hika yo mwana just like the president mentioned he practiced the same abantu beitu umuranga gumu guteba president Museveni Wenka and a few others for me it is the way to go. It has also its challenges habukuba challenge number 1 ni intensive ni manisha gusimiri kuboro okuba intensive agriculture yona ente obwerane tosokora for mu fund
so hand zone
and this all mugege ngabya mukama who employed 26 people in the 4 acres konka muntu wabulicho njimanisa gusimiri kota ko gundu murumo gona obolo habite kutasha sente nyingi ngomwana noteka ko time njimanisa noteka ko ine another source where to get food because omwana there is 3 years. So, apart from those challenges, it's a very, very, very good initiative that should be adopted by those who have land.
Allen,
yes.
John finally at Kanusu icheza na niwe. Pioneer reservation za submission zao. Allen, President yena agamba. Abantu bariomba muhurra, abembeza abantu bariomba mbangira. 2 questions in that.
Okay.
And how practical is that anyway?
Yes, Boaz yebare ogunomura mwamurungi. Ninyenda kubanza ntakagira questions zawe. Ninyenda kubanza gambira omunya Uganda wena ngu obworo nobutandikira ombwonko. Niho bukutandikira. Obworo bw'omuntu wena omu Uganda nobutandikira. So, omunya Uganda Museveni ningashi president witu wihanga ariyo nagezaho kutusimura obwonko ngo nakaca koyine nikabasa kukobera omugasho kakakuhindura omuntu w'omugasho so mind zitu ariyo nagezaho kuzisimura kuziha kuri yo mukugwejegera kutekateka ngo akantu nikace so tukakubasa kunyamba so abebembezi ninyenda kwikiriza naho nekiyagamba actually ni sasara president witu wihanga avuga bariyo nakora mu muhango munonga ogwakubenu guyambwa kwabandi abari yahansa bakubenu bamuyamba so kuri gihe kibuzo cyambuza ni nyenda kugira ngo abantu enkora yesaha community abantu bombaza kucha adopting and baza kuciciriza they are embracing it konka shi hari yabariyo no babayamba kucyakire iki cyubariyo no bareta nicyo kizubwe cyuru yes konka enkora yo eyi president Museveni ariyo na areta niyo kutwigura misho okamanya ngo nakaca koyine nikabasa kuyamba
so nkakiruhuraho kuruga abantu mwebe namataka mahango munonga kandi abandi bine make hata umuntu nayije tandakata ekazina atumwana guhahi ebijuma bihahi ebinyasa bihahi ejembe buyona kuza kutandaka embubo actually abebe ni ahon habebembezi bitu bakwiziramo itito nka ningashi ni twabariyo barondo bwebembezi ahon ho twine kwiziramo tworeka abantu aba aho bashemereye kwihe bintu ebi hari yabari yahansa batakumanya aho bashemereye kubiyo so omwebembezi no mu gwawe kwimuko kayamba aba ogota kucumanya kukiri
ni nsima baba basize kuretera nkembe bwezo baretero mu district hatogo ngo muringo gumo go kuyamba abantu bawo kubara President Museveni ya leta nkora ya hikina kuzikozesa waba yamba kurebeka ngo wabashomesa ngo hikina tuteho umwana twagukozesa twagutaho tuta ebijuma shibyo waboreka ko barabirete kandi ko barabirete bwono bamanye ko barabirebere so ogo no murumo gwa abebembezi abari hansi nabo bakenka bakabagaiding
Moses president nalewe kankali spot on bintu twakubasa kore bitakwitaga sente nyingi kunka for a modern discussion iri myaka itaransiye 5 but they never take shape no jango bari mezo bari
akacererwa no yatu nakore ibintu byakuzikira na mukaga akacererwa nco kurebera John yagira ngo ba ministers ngo n'abandi abakozi ba government generally ngo tubakwenda kugamba bya President Museveni igihuru yarukutekaho yabona batunge mayafo eka modo ngo bakwenda kubigambaho mayatu we babantu bareba abantu abo mamba yangu abantu abine interest n'abaki ati no tegateka ngo ni myaka 9 bagambira abana ngo yo no kubato mwishomero abamwe basiya nshanju no jamba do they believe you oyo myaka 9 ngo kuragasa kutwara abana kai mwishomero hata uwaga baje tinyota tibyo kushoma pana byayangire hata no tegateka ngo no mushemana nakwanga nabatakwanga ngo wijukere ko kumushomeza ko no mushomesa kare hat for eka modo na hato go tichwa for ekazi president na kigeso kuri senkoko nempunu nemba atanaki imyaka 78 kature no mujenyi ariko gaba kibintu nukagenda tu no mujenyi niki umushata no mudebese atura na weri wizero rya Amerika kwami from America wareba so hari ikintu cy'kugerera kitayi cyacho obunaku wanyineka kwegesiza mu bibyentunguka biya obunaku bukajya ki bukawa akazambana ingere no rumupira no ingere time je abakutara bagwa uruba marangu bagwa hansi buri wamba hayero kadi nayo ingere nayo akagizana nayo yawayo hatwa kwimba yaga batajya gukora gaba ng'abantu tubakwire mu magisi mbagare koka twashemeye kubona rugamba
mana ingere timu kwayo halo extra time kube kumwe bro
the words we say obura bintu mara school katu bakatugesa umukata ko rujungu kamba baketa ogundipe ogundipe hakali sentence ni jangu the words we say may not matter so much as the way we say them.
The words
we say may not matter so much as the way we say them. Hata alo abantu bakureba kayabugamba samani ebu wagamba nibyo wagamba samani ucetegereza so nakiteka cyanyeneka ibyari kugamba nibirungi mazima turugwire for eka modo wajigenderaho tegwire koga point ne ngu nwashimwe kwa bigambira shahe kuko bwashimwe kwa president abugamba bwa ibyo byashitana mna kuko shata hankaye hachaba abantu abariyo nagamba babora barukumunonga byakashitana mna wakaize kitambira bari ashatana mna barataka batambiro cyera kuri yo dari kuri ikuza idea cyera kuri yo
konga nwagaba no waba nkomuntu urkwanga urukuzire kanisa ngo uri ngo pastor na byamana bakurustayo konga yo ngo Yesu Kristo tayini mukuristayo byamana we abwencho takutwara message ukareka message
nyo message ati nyine shobora nkanagambe
you take the message. Why don't you take the message?
Ngongera karura bako niyo kumtsa akakatani mwasiya bwingi mu mutahana muha yana musya buna. I will give him just one more. Akatamwegenda ngombe primary school gweguru etamwe manewa tuzingeberere tahama.
So omuntu kwasi omuntu
tamwegenda neje
Moses omuntu kwasi hanga. Abunjo takwenda message ye abantu bagitware nari otakugitwara.
But to give more context, yagamba atahamya kasito na munana. Aboro abaliyo nagamba hati. Ubu ombazi guliyo nali tuguliyo. Kinana na mukaga, okubi myaka kasito na munana kuruka kinana na mukaga. Kuruka kinana na mukaga aboro abo bakabulu bengai. 9 na 5 halichukuru.
Agiga
hati ne bengai asatu nomu halichukuru. Na atamba kana takutamba.
Atu yana statistics.
Kanija bona atamba.
Katsumo statistics.
Otalete zawe chapeda. Otalete zawe.
Uyachigamba kamugaruke. Hati Mr. John. Minister wa trade no manya. Honorable David Bahati.
Minister
no industry now.
State for
France mwebesa ni wa trade.
State trade ni
general bakababingi bataka.
Then atoko ni industry Bahati ni industry.
Banyeba bakababingi.
Konkai you are right. Are you minister ya trade?
We shall remind you.
But now are you minister name?
Minister of Industry, State for Industries.
David Bahati.
The Honorable David Bahati.
Akagambe mbili.
Akafuzi.
He spoke no.
Aherize kugira.
Akagambe bisuba.
No, reka jona iwe no.
You can gaba. That's a lie.
John.
He lied.
John, reka mo isagambe.
We are going to go to the minister. Na gambe ni inside.
Bore che
John. You go to John sense.
Bahati kagabaga murundo gumumuzi.
Ebi akoza gaba. I know what you want to talk about.
No, let me say it.
At one year ni ya indra minister, you will prime minister. Now,
Bahati kajara.
No, David Bahati. Ayengoje ntasi ya Uganda. Esente za Uganda. Ebitweka nkaga rigana mu birgomba yindi. Orire?
Which is a lie.
Nkaga rigana.
Former state minister planning.
No industry. Mu birgomba yindi.
And he was from planning before.
Hati nyebuza.
Is lying.
Chana na mkaga abashaka kashanga twineza industries bakachanga mu industry
kazi zaba hindi no.
Kazi Uganda textile keri y'abahindi. Na Uganda fisheries. You are not.
Gumza muntu wagabo.
Bachanga mu industries zitu za rent marketing board. Baz twihamu. Baz kwasa abahindi. Mwene hata minister wabagizire ngo ebyenta asya. Ngo mkaga ari 10. Ngwe sente zyo mu ihanga uneza abahindi. Nguza industries zyo mu kaga ari 10 uneza abahindi. Kandi abahindi nenzi nyibi itete miliyoni anana zinge ananita. Hata umuntu kwebuza. Ubwo mushija ubire president emyaka 38. Akashanga abanya Uganda bine industries z'abakazibiyamo. Akashanga urugiga bwabo akavaka akabhereza abahindi. Konka kushesha aza TV tatu numanye numzafo fo ekamodo
wala mnonga
program ye ibe na yena utunguche nalo mshijogu aile mwaka dakazana kariyo nazana titirane mkisebedaho Nchini za pedeni.
Sando bora bana buchendere.
No buchendiro.
Hendera nyana.
Ngumata rashaji.
Sisi.
Nakashaga takatachi kora. Toile comparison. Kokato de kaka hendera. Ala bisi nakushaba.
Next time.
Nsojwa nsoke nyongere ko kana.
Kaje speed.
Nyongere mu muriro.
Nyongeze mu muriro. Hati aro tugamba nkacyangu nkaho wito muturu ba movement munonga turi aba UPC na kandi kwa kubona tugamba ubujoni ko kanyera kugambira government ya president Museveni ecyo kubanza ecyo kugitera hansi fo ekamodo timbi konke bintu byena bereta kakambi wewe nkakufuna we program za president Museveni zona rotating ra funeramu wa is the pivot wewe ka afune bakuza kureta plan for modernization of agriculture agere to mukambi ebeye yinkumu operation wealth creation aya uyigambira ba minister bakagicenchura nabakumanya policies kuzicenchura ajeyeto mukampi
2012
bazolineho
a year after election
bazolineho
noga
PDM
operation wealth creation 2012
yuwanyi bakakubuza
wabrakeza
ala sisi
noga wabrakeza
PDM akakonga PDM in the last elections bagamba parish development abeki nategereza ubwire bubi akabanwe ya leta policies z'abantu bone abonye tarwejo sakura abonye tarwejo saba MPs beyikana mu bingi akejo sa entongore bibya government akaconsulting abantu bakwenda kora lera kabanwo byo hamu ideas abonye natukakezeye
when he looked for his area MP Komobuza why his village is not in the Ruvindi town council did you get him
nyona bwese Moses Chingu mukozera yagira ngo president byakora byona nana abara kugumombo embisi konkano wagaba yatujya unagakana mpara karuru so yibona Museveni ndekateka niye mu
anyitire kongati niye tokora
ala sisi over to you
ne yanziza mukuru moderator ompadde omukisa nange mbere nekyenyongereza tompadde guidance oba question sinaye
a lot has been said
njagala nsime baganda bange bano bonna bye bateesa bituufu this is their perspective buli muntu akiraba obeera mundabirwamu buli muntu amanyi bwe yeeraba obulungi bwe waliwo yeeraba nga bwagigira bwati ayinza okulaba nga saidi yetama lyerisingako obulungi ku feesi ye waliwo omwami nubagaba nga yagala atunde mundabirwamu yenna nga bwafaanana n'alaba simayiro nga yesingayo obulungi kati kirungi nti bonna bakkirizaganya nti programu zino nungi ezireeteddwa its like njagala kubuuza maama mwezi ki gubazaliramu omwana nga omwana mulungi
omwana ni
which season should you produce a child n'ogamba nti kati nazadde mwana mulungi
omwana omulungi aba mulungi
asigala muki
mulungi
so government webe created the program obeze mu kiseera kya campaign obeze mu kiseera kyakufiirwa naye nga they have brought a good message embrace the message use it maximize it benefit yourself
don't question the time
nakubuuziza nti kiseera kitwagala ozaaliremu omwana ogambe nazadde mulungi it's about you now planning to utilize to build and groom your baby bw'oba ofunye message nga nungi gwe mwenye mugipikinge kubanga tasagala ongambe nti webakugamba nti genda okole ekifo ekamodo mu kiseera kya campaign bw'olimeta campaign egenda kulitwala
political intelligence RCC ikabene tugira ngo banzo manya abantu atebategirize omanya otata abantu mind zabo ziri ari iki so message no nyine basa kufa because of timing
jagala osanjiza kukibuza ekyo kiringa nali ku media house endala oli nangamba nti olaba government enkadde ngagamba government ya nuwagaba batu wange ebitabo nga tuwandikira tetugula batu wange emmere mu ddwaliro nga tulya ne mugamba that was aid and grant tuyenda osome wasomako nesimu yo liri awo university namba eri mu ngalo amawanga ge bawa obuyambi moduledo gaba tegali bulungi gaba gali mu mbeera mbi nga they are giving them support to survive and break through naye mugamba kati enkya tula ku pick up yange nkutwale nakivale bajja kuwa omufaliso nja kuregisteringa ng'empunji bakuwa omufaliso bakuwa emmere bajja kuwa n'ebitabo genda obeere bulungi olaba bange kyekyoyagala kati as the economy grows waliwo ebintu ebimu byerina yo yennyini okuyimirirako netandika okubeera very independent ne edda abatuwa obuyambi butuyita ba sponsor ne badona baali batuwa obuyambi the standards relief kuva mu ntalo jukira lwatu akaba mu ntalo ebintu byali tebitambula bulungi n'amalwaliro tegali n'eddagala n'abasawo tebaliyo so there was motivation what and all that keeping children in school was also a challenge olwaliro abaana kati be bakubanja nti daddy sasula fees naye edda omwana omutwalanga na kibooko ku ssomero naye stage waliwo bwetuuka nga kati omwana ate yakubanja okomawo naye yetolwa nagamba daddy saasomye notunuleno nga fees toli kuziraba omwana akugamba njagala kuddayo kuki kusomnawo kati eggwanga lyaffe likuze president abantu bonna tebakulidde ku stage emu enkulaakulana yo weeri thats the truth n'obwavu abantu si baavu nga bwe baali edda naye priorities have changed which makes it look like their costs, their expenses, their preferences are changing, causing the demand to rise. Supply never allows together. Until Rudieda, mami niwaga bakati okutambuza ebigere tugende waffe ebushenyi osasa okutambuza ebigere naye kabatunga batambula
bamusikirizaako katono just briefly what supplement just okay no problem you will give me 1 minute
ng'omuntu tatambula kugenda olwaleero omukazi akugamba nti sagala kufunira wano ku nearest health facility obujjanjabi bw'amatano health ng'ali olubuto ayagala obuyambi okunywa eddagala n'akugamba njagala kugenda ku refaro. The science is not because this facility at health center tutagenda kumuwa support. Naye akimanyi bw'agamba omwami we nti ngenda mu refaro ajja kumuwa esente za boda boda, amuwe eza lanchi, amuwe ki, agenda okukomawo ng'afunye alabyeko ne ba OG be yasoma nabo mu hospital okusinga okugenda kwewala n'okumpi. Meaning to make choices because of those dynamics in growth. Now president is telling one message. Never nange balula kikirizaganyako nti one is telling people diversify what you do and have a steady livelihood improvement. Diversify nti singo badde ng'olayinga ku nte zokka. Then obulwadde bugwawo ne bagamba waliwo quarantine on milk products on dairy products, you are affected because of source of livelihood baba gitemyeko. Naye bw'oba olunda bw'oba olima n'emmere olina cereals bw'oba olina nabino ebirala then you survive. Nabadde njogera nga tulaunchinga waliwo factory yazimbiddwa wano Kakuba Bulemba Road ekola products bayita Safi products detergents forwarding and clearing. It is multi-purpose kind of agency. It's called the Firo Group of Company. Twabaddeyo n'emmere nga tugilaunchinga. Actually it's one of the best models now we have in Mbarara. Kati nga ye ng'amugamba nti olese bya forwarding and clearing nina mukwano gwange bamuyita ambassador zake ali United Arab Emirates. Yangamba nti alina company business side business to survive ng'amuna trailer mukaaga gali gatwala cement ni Kabale n'angamba trucks mwe ziba zikomawo please mfunira business from Mbarara which these trucks can use to come back in those containers. Omanyi nga tewali business.
Okay.
This is something very serious. Nti economy yaffe. How does it fit within the dynamics of trade currently? But right now, President wabayogera kubya FOICA model. Yes, he's targeting the poorest among the poorest. Nainga bali tax. You have a resource, factor of production called land. Naye toli kugikozesa. Tonna bakuteka the other factors, labor. What are the other factors of production? Capital. President says, with your land alone, you can use it to generate the capital to do other things as well.
Thank you.
And the message njagala okumukomekereza nayo ndi muganda wange wa information. Waliwo akatabo bakayita message on a shoestring. Message on a shoestring. Yakawandika bamuyita school macha. Musajja mu Germany. Naye akatabo ako yakugamba nti abantu 18 buli ku 10 be batambuza ensi yonna the whole world. It's a lot of economics. Naye mu Uganda bookshop kabula shillings 100. Jikuddiramu?
10.
Kabula shillings meka? 10. Naye message kalimu nekusifunyo enyonyola how people in their various classes create their own space and they contribute to the economic development. Naye largely 80% of the people out of philosopher Pluto bagamba nti we have two kinds of leaders, doers and thinkers. When the thinkers think, they bring their ideas back to the doers, and the doers implement. That's what is lacking in our people. President, I want the messaging anunji buli kasera. As a philosopher, as a thinker of the country, as a vision, the torch bearer and the vision bearer. Naye our people, batabikamu nebula nakugamba message bagirese nabadde kulumbe so jagala kumuwulula nga siri kulumbe then bare message ye which is wrong.
Akatabo nza karonda
Boaz
namara omweshongozi mbamwita kazi bwe kapo kubambuze ngu toshoma akatabo ka hamu kigundu ukaba mugiga yajya ati nawe hama twereke akiyashomera bone kuba mugiga abonca ahandikire akatugambira batatugambira akiyashomera John
now hati hali ensonga isatu ensonga yokubanza akaruru kaine program zikakwita and that's a fact. Deputy RCC was in Kacheka on Thursday last week where the Minister of Microfinance
Haji Kasoro
we are in the Ankole Myoga kind of trade show. omu speech ya Honorable Kasoro akagira ngu recovery za sente z'emyogo, a program that was initiated in 2020, recovery is at below 40. Abantu abagara isente, abantu abo yagira ngo bajya no kubaranga radio na TV ngo waratahurire mukamwana mugambire konka yagira abinja batungire sente zo 2020 na 2021 bakamanya ngo kasimo ka president. So toso kugira ngo politics ebintu kwa biziro mu karuru ngutalabanza program ejo program y'emyoga a very good one at that is politics abantu sentebo bakagira ngo thinking y'abantu bitu ngo Museveni mugezi nyonga nakajaho nuko busoga ngahi Museveni mugezi nyakitegede tagenda situka ko rwa covid yina tsindikira kasente mu rwebyo abantu bakazira. That's number one. I'm telling you. Number two, coffee beer. Opposition bari gutambara. Nabagira ngo omuntu weno wataratire karuru ha coffee beer. Nalo watara supportingire coffee te mwaka 2026. That's the message. If this coffee beer was brought in 2021, immediately 6 months into the new term, it would not be a political going to the next term. So Morangu, hello correlation.
So timing is also
yes, is a very big factor because program in yoga our defaulters our Kasoro kwenda kutaharibi. Arrange this interface to them one on one. They will tell you for us we thought it was a casino. Now give us the additional seed capital. We shall even save more and increase. Even when there are circles, Ngahana Barara State produce dealers here. Bakaja billion makumi asatu billion over 2 billion. Over 2 billion.
Yes.
It is led by my friend Abdul Wahab. But so many people thought Atweta, yes, he's called Atweta Abdul Wahab. So many people thought that it was a token for politics.
Katukira muganda wa ngalese kintu ekyamaanyi ne wabanga bakuwadde ekirabo nga kikyo, give it respect by using it well.
Thank you.
Ewandika katabo kali bamwita Chris Radley olimbadde njogera kumulala yali akola supplementary. Chris Radley yawandika katabo ke bayita message on a shoe string. These simple things we always pass.
Okay.
These simple things we ignore, and the things which make meaning in our lives.
But in your city, tell me one meeting of Foeka model that happened. President has talked about it for 8 years. Tell me where you held a meeting of Foeka. Where you found a meeting.
Let me answer this.
Are there 4 acres in the city?
One meeting.
Muganda wangalese chibuze chirungi. Era njagala ampenda obudde okukiddamu. One, this is a city setting. I'm lucky. Ntinze mba mu kibuga ky'Embarara. I mean Jinja City. Where land fragmentation is too much because of the nature of Jinja City and its historical status. It is a center of industries. Actually,
thank you.
There is too much fragmentation of land, but there is a high service given in terms of value addition. In Imbarara, naturally, I didn't know. In Imbarara, traditionally, abantu babadde bahingi n'abalimi. Babadde na farms zaabwe nga balundirako ki ebisolo on large scale. Ne bwe bapima tebali under the poorest among the poorest. The majority the so-called landlords. That's why nti obasanga ng'omuntu alina ne farm 2 square miles. Even in the city here, osanga omuntu ng'eddoboozi ddino ettaka lyani nga physical planning of the city is held up because of one man who has a big chunk of land in the city. So relevance is FICA model is aimed at livelihood improvement. So if your livelihood is already high, then don't waste your time because people are already moving. They're on the move. Bari nentoche, bari na ayente, omuntu arinane ebirala byakora arima akaruka akamumara. So livelihood, the FICA model was aimed at taking people out of what? Poverty. And in areas where people are practicing, like a forestry, a business, nasanze mwami onalina chiri, remember tarisa chirini, alina supermarket neno, the businessman. Kati yogenda kumusomesa FICA model for what?
Thank you.
Naye nasanze uwe walinga na 14 acres of coffee.
14
acres.
Thank you. Let me pass this.
Leadership is about the poorest first.
Tuene aba eka ya hotel aba Ekaya Crescent Hotel geneshangwa Kamukuzi kandi bine umwanya murungi aho kora emikoro bine accommodation bine allow me pass this message twine aba Ekaya Hotel Ekaya Crescent Hotel bashangwa Kamukuzi umulimba Romu bine gardens aho kora emikoro yawe bine accommodation nungi bine parking space bine byo kwerinda kandi bine restaurant yo murembe iba kutekera chansia cha mushana cha shiro kandi wanda kuzayo nubo kwenda kubukinga babikora Ekaya Crescent Hotel nubo kuterebera program y'igishengero omukashishikirizo banyencha karebero 24 ebyo kwezoku nzakoza shamu enda zihangwe twine ikitaramo nzakuba ntugamba mu mugwedini hamwe n'obuhangwa omukwendera emiturire n'entasi y'abanyuganda omugasho gw'edini n'obuhangwa ahantu yihanga kandi omwanya nigongo abantu bakuru umugenyo mukuru ni Honorable Manyamushega kandi twine abandi bagambi nka Right Reverend Johnson twine umujuni Bishop wa Western Kore twine Reverend Father Dr. Kareme Deus ogune Vice Chancellor wa University of St. Joseph's Mbarara kandi twine umwami Usman Ruhukire ogune Senior Educationist kandi umushugana sawe kiganiro n'umwami akoreje Edwin our very own kuruga hano Sky TV nyencha kare 2024 ne kubera Sunday shaha mwenda zihangwe hari ari gongo so Sky TV ne bangira ibintu bikane ne kutaho mukoro live Allen wahora ebiganiro across the table abantu bituntuye n'abarugomboro haro programu ezindi za parish modo umuntu akwasa kuya sente akagura embibo konka hari bindi bikutwara rentasi y'abanyuganda government yetabikoziriho ubworono burugaho reba fizi reba ukuraguza
yabare Boaz hati nani nyenda actually kubagara yo kacahariya ayo kibano muretse turetse kuri mitinga message ya President Museveni tukajirebera ha 4 acre program yonga konga hariho no gor kubasa kubata Christiana eka konga ine good planning
manu go maramon iki kizo
yes
over areto kutasha hika we shall discuss that but today is for
yes
John allow her to make her submission.
No, it is as if for us who have talked about 4 acres, it is what you call that for.
John, allow her to make her submission.
Yes.
That's why I invited both of you.
MP Gamble.
So, etuna ninyenda kumayinsa ngu President Museveni tariyo naturi meetinga ha just 4 acres. Konkariyo naza kufavoringa naba abatakugistya. Kugira ngo recently ndebero mukaza social media na rentinga ariyo mu kasingoro aharubaje ineho ka store konga kakakozesa kutamwe nkoko hategesha hana earning so echicho nicho President Museveni ariyo nagezaho kutworeka yes so so
owanyu nkoko abantu zibihiro cyuruhura abantu abarigero mboro abo nkoko nobega
chirigirire chuwakora yes chirigirira buri omwe cyakwena yes yes so
ebikutware esente z'abantu ukuraguza fees ebyo government yero ene bigambo uki nare bigambire hoki
echo kubanza kwa President Museveni yateretera programs in case nana kutomu omumbere yo kugira ngo niwe no basa kweyambaho school fees tomorrow abo kuba yes akareta government schools konga harwe birukwetagwa nka scholastic materials so nagezaho kuretera programs nkezo ngo niwe nyenche karo yetungure yes konkecho tukwihaho bujunanuzi bwa government still kugumiza mwe kagireta ekayamba abantu abo konka itwitwe nk'abantu twine kutamwa amani kurebeka ngo kwara ningo ku unabajango mwana mukuru musigana na haramiriza so government kwera bene kuyamba iyo oriyo no yakire ntekateka zayo kurebeka ngo niwe kwera leta kacheni yiyongereho kandi so nintekateka ngo abanya-Uganda nito kubara abantu batusiga tubentwe hamisiriza
so hakabaho kucyondoza kumaya bwenshi abantu bayabo abamwe bakatunga abandi bakabora Moses ayinenti chenana Jona ayinenti ibiri mwarakoze rero kucyonoza kumanya ikizubi cyabiriho neighbor w'umworo neighbor w'umugiga
okucondoza kuruho of course abo kuba wareba haza kwijezo programs none umanya ngo hariho umworo hariho umugiga konka hariho ahabwensho go mworo nabo mworo by the way recently mbe in blaming as programs ezurkwija corruption ekazitaha still. Do you know why people are remaining poor and others are becoming too rich? They are becoming rich more than others. Ahabo kugira ngo nakacaka rukwija hari umwaba bakweyendeza akacaka kubeneka yambo mworo akayimukana waka akabomugiga oshanga nguka still kagarako mugiga yayiyongeraho kubaki kubomugiga omworo yaguma ryo mworo.
Noga abantu bitu abamwene bakora baragumwidara bazo murindi abandi baguma bari yaboro abakora bakatunga bo kaburomba kuye government kanemu yanga kanero
aba bakora bakagezo bakakora bakatunga abone bo bahiro bashimwe mfune medali abategeze program za President Museveni program zene za ICU intensive care unit za drip neza barkumwe no tikwana mtego tuziganira TV abwa muzigenderire timine TV atantu no tugeze kuyamba nabatine TV ato batwiriro batureba no kongera ukabuza abagani muze neza barkumwe nonga aba banagirwa inyuma kandi abentamwe basigira abatine na gari nubo program zizazakorera ICU zona zetereza intensive care unit habari ya kitana now nyewe chinkfa da government egi okugambira abantu ngo wakwata 4 acres no tunguka aho ninkiriza kokeka shanga abantu bina mataka ukireba neza kakurgaho esiga abantu batine mataka jone yino point abantu bona tino indagano yici banja tino imicha bakabikiriza barisinga byona byo mukafuna byo musako.
He has ordered for fresh land registration
etine ownership what precedes
namago bagakafana
abaza aba ownership bamukama witaka rero babona kwadigaga mukamani hata batenda endagano zone bakazitwara mu sakozi nakafuna ebya batwara kai banks hati nyina wowe kanyine kagume ashitame aranzi nyuma jet konka shabante bi kubagambara nibyo ecyo kubanza obwiga ari obwiga butini itaka kanobwiga bw'umunongo bukabutaka butine hibugire kabutine mizi omushakashanga abantu bina mataka bakaba tine sente nkugwa gamba bakaba takunywa soda kokaba kali na mataka hati najyangu banywa soda kokaba tine mataka we bawagiga baza soda yaba lete yakaje mwaka kanisa soda ngo bajinywa bugenyi na hanfu konka tuba kine mataka abashanje bine eka za mayiro tubine za mayiro
bakabara bangaye
abashanje bine mataka gawo bine ndagaro zabuze byo mu maju hati ziyo mu za banka waje mutuma nyere dambira maziba ngono uri kumpakarisa uri kutureba iwe buza abakuri hihi batari mu TV abo tutamnawo narabo yemereye nabo ibyo oyinitaka ye endaganera tumazi
babara mu
etapa oyine etapa chenga tabachinda so nyene kone
bado nina kubuza mugurisu wawe may his soul rest in peace akana azaro na abantu bojorenga
kada bamwe bakafa
no reka tubare mu bakana bakabana batanu bene bakatugira ngo bakabe ine eka 10 yuza kazeyo isebo yafuire bakabagana buri umwe zinga abantu batanu tumanyisa mu
nakache
uno problem katubara amakumi abiri hatso bwana bagene abiri iwe na imu mu bana benga himu
na atoro bajya ngo
mama abo kega ka muri 10
bo kubuza yo kamuza
muguruso wa warigire
yo kamuza
yo mare kibuzo cyawe mare kibuzo
he is insinuating as if amataka ga watu kuchendera Museveni akiza akagera tumugare to Bank of Uganda ndio ni kuoleta how land fragment amataka ngagenda gachendera hati iwe haitaka yaso wakabagana kikibi matabano wao hariyawo ndaje kubagana how does that become a Museveni problem?
Moses mugaje kutendera
nyowe yingwe na tomu speculation nebitaka biro kandi ne byabiro
ukabagana hikazi
ari byabiro rindo nyo tingabage ari byabiro wakireba
kare
nyowe yabuzaje nikanye leta tento akafa mwaka kugwa cyenda na mwenda yabanza ya foreka yagitwara akazi ngo narondera abandi itakera hango akabihara bindi yabatwara nkahi kazi kiyakireyo urufu yamutwara.
Thank you. Hendera Moses.
Now, abasigazi beye mushangi byazire umushikakafwa abojo baruho. Nkamunana.
Okay.
Hato ine huita kainenjuye. Banka dola ekagatwa buri yomaka singo kweye wait. Bakabamuza. Buri yomaka singo kweye buri na wonka. Bakabaga. Buri yomaka bakabaga. Buri yomaka singo kweye buri yomwe banka ya munyego kweye. Bona bargo bazo mbuwanga nguse. When the President Seven was coming in 1986, my uncle Karachi had land in the wind. Before him,
did the president take it out?
Landed akashanga inechi. No twire. Policy is very yes.
Thank you.
Enkwara ya government ya Rwanda siriza. Yo kubiya abantu, ubuyo no mushubuzi.
Thank you.
Nochereba. Ekabatego to banka, enkoma ngo bayonu ntujeki turiyo tubiyi. Bakamata. Nochega. Ekabima mermo ekahenda was factories zabo ekaziguza ekagamba baze mushobesa abana ekakora education expense
next time wala gambe biona you come early you cannot come late and
are ne to ntendera from there speak to our women have interview ku rugo mboro message ya president bazitware batabakazi bozo ubora umusinge kuteganza abakazi nito bashanta nuko kurara
namaze so abacara nimba habura program yona kwerije mujakire mwakire program mugicencure murebe umugasho gwayo nuguha government egenderire gukora ki mutemu nkora ebabashomesa ekizubwe echa abanya-Uganda bine ebintu byona tukabijwanza mu politics necyo kwenda kuyamba no kirebera level ya politics cyaretwa nanga tinku muhagera so tinkuza kugeranta tinkuza kukitwara konga ebintu kubirije biriye byo kutuyamba tubihe mu politics.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sibura banda
abariyonu batureba mwena ha Sky TV nimba sibura nimba sima ubwire bwanyu bumwatuhereza kandi nimba shaba abanyacyuruhura kundanizire mu ndebe bantu mwebare munonga
sisi niwe n'ikigambo cyo kushemba yo mudakikemo
abaneyanziza ensonga eyogeddwako atenga yakuteka ko ebirowozo njagala otuwe n'obudde tukomewo nga bwe tuli wano pano ongera okugitunulako yensonga maninoga bajalese multinationals abo n'abagagga abajja ne bayingira mu ggwanga ne bakola business ate ne batwala amagoba. There's a lot of science around it. Mukulu nwagabolese ensonga nnungi abantu baffe tulina okubabuulira ki ekigenda mu maaso naye ate n'okuba alternative. What alternative do we have? Ever since Uganda went into the economic liberalization.
Thank you.
Do we know what it means? Ababaka baffe abaliyo mu kaseera ako nga bakikola basobola okukomawo olwaleero ba delegates to explain to us the alternatives when they embraced the liberalization the structured program in 1987-86. Ekirala kinjagala okukomekereza nakyo kikwatagana ne business eziri mu kibuga. Twogedde ku 4-acre model naye abantu bafa mu kibuga ne kadesimola okutuulako akake ownership takalina oyo tumuyambye tutya. Twagala okumusaba nti babere mu service industry, service provision, babere mu creative arts, babere mu innovations, babere mu value addition, babere mu mirimu egi simanyisibitese mu lunyagole kubaga naye mubere mukola emirimu ekitagala space nene naye ng'osobola okukikola ate nekikuyimirizaawo oluusi n'osinga n'omuntu yagenze n'abeera ne faamu eka 10 ngori mu kibuga ekibuga kiwa a lot of opportunities ndikora research akwatagana ne topic gibayita intermittent conflicts and internal migrations in reshaping economic development of new cities.
Thank you.
Entalo zinezibera mu community obutakanya obera mu community obuletera abantu okusenguka okuva gye bazaalibwa gye baali bayiteeka bagenda mu bibuga okulanya abantu baffe.
Thank you. Edgar mukuru nagira ngu Edgar korga mu Edgar korga mukuru yagira ati nsimira abaganizi okukira munongano wagaba yagambira kimwe amazima tugumya arafunse mukahona yaribanda yanatera n'ibishani na video zasindika aha kwereka ngo yaturire obare Anthony Fokolera harakanya ryeru yajyangu president agerizeho kunkangwa abantu tubakwenda kutunga kunkangwa president umuntu gwa kozirege ntwenda kwebaza mwena ba turebo mukashishekera izoba ndenda kwebaza abaginyi bitu Aleni bakashije babare kutayira babare tulinawe John kutayira ubare Moses Nwagaba kutayira ubare ntuma ya president Robert okutayira ndenda kwebaza technical team job nwatubirira kamera kandi na buri umubena owatwasa mukashishaka nabandi Boaz wa Mongolia zagaruka tureba n'uwa mukaga isa biteri kwija inshallah musibe kurungi.